Let's face it, content creation is hard. I started 5 years ago and I've made 87 videos so far. To make a video, you ideate where you come up with the idea. You script where you come up with the best words to tell the story. You shoot and find the best camera angles to tell the story visually. You edit where you create magic and put all the stuff together. You publish where you post your video to the right platform and time it correctly so you reach enough people. But most aspiring creators stop at the first step because they don't have enough ideas. Even now, I run out of ideas every single day. I tried lifestyle vlogs, I tried travel videos, and I even got my friends involved. But I found a solution in R&D. Now you might think that R&D is about research, finding the right audience, finding the niche, giving value. But for me, R&D is replicate and duplicate. Just because you have cinematic cuts, it does not make you a fake Casey. Just because you make a 1-minute inspirational video, it does not make you a fake Naz Daily. Your videos will still be different because it's you, your voice, your face, and above all, your perspective. Remember, your first 50 videos are going to be shit, but you have to make those 50 videos so that you can make a much better 51st video. So next time you are stuck, remember the R&D, and sooner than later, you will be your own Yash.